Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So this is a channel that has multiple ways to get to it in case you have stumbled across a domain or a Google search or so forth, and you can find ways to get to it. So if you go to, for an example, if you go to iOSGenius.com, that will direct you to my YouTube channel. So and then if you were at say Google and you wanted to know about Macs. So if you do macosgenius.com, that will also direct you to my YouTube channel. So feel free to go ahead and subscribe and enjoy my videos. Put in your comments. Definitely comments help. I do respond quite promptly within at least 2-day time frame or less. If you're putting comments on how to do this, how to do that, and so forth, the general public of computers, networking, switches, or anything else that is out there. So this is an all-around channel. Feel free to put your comments, put your likes, hit subscribe. That definitely helps. Selecting the bell even helps better, so you know once I make a video, boom, it's right there ready for you to get updated information. All right, well, thanks for visiting, and onward.
Hi everyone, welcome to Apple iOSGenius on the YouTube channel. Some individuals were asking how to configure their Microsoft Company Outlook email with their iOS device. Now this is based on approval on license first. If they do not have the license, then they'll have to get IT approval to obtain the license to have it configured on their iOS device. So let's go ahead and get started. So first you need to make sure you get your iOS device. So I'm going to go ahead and screen share my iOS device to my computer. There it is. And then what you will need to go, of course, will be going to your App Store. Once you go to your App Store, you want to go ahead and do a search, and you want to look for Outlook. You can select Outlook for iPad, Office 365, Outlook email. They're all variations. So if you select search, it's right there in the top left corner. But then there's also the OneDrive, there's a customer manager, there's an Edison email. So it's basically an Apple search of Outlook, and all these applications pop up what you can use. Normally, you can just use the standard Microsoft Outlook. It's a free app, so you can just download that. Once it's completely installed, you want to go ahead and select on Open on your iOS device. Currently, I'm using my iPad. You would have this main screen where it says Add Account. You would just normally type in your email. So this is my company email. And then you want to go ahead and select then Add Account. Then you'll be prompted with this message with Office 365. We are on Office 365. You might be on Office 2013 or 2010. This may work. If this does not work, and once you enter your password, if you're prompted with an error message, it would basically mean that you do not have the license. So let's go ahead and enter my password. So I sign in. It would validate through the company email, and it goes to the next screen. So that means now it's configured, it's ready to go. There's no configuration changes, there's no domain needed, there's no server field needed. It automatically sets up. Now if you run into problems where you may have passed the password field and then there's server field, there's domain, there's issues, then that could very well be because you do not have a license. And so it's either prompted one with an error message with your password, or two will let you in. It requires server information. So basically you're still in that provision to have Outlook company email on your iOS device. So then now you want to go ahead and select, would you like to add another account? I do not, so I want to hit maybe later. Then it goes through the overview of what this feature, what Outlook offers. So focus inbox, find your email that you need to act on right here. So focus, you can select your specific email that comes in that will be primary under focus. So I mean, that's what you need to look for. There is an other option up here, but that's like could be spam. It could be something that maybe you don't communicate very well with individuals. So Outlook just assumes that you may speak with Linda Barr, more constant, and then Outlook makes that changes. So as you speak more to those individuals in the email, they will be placed under focus automatically. So you want to go ahead and select next. Calendars, stay organized with all your events, just tap away. And then you can also search if you like to quickly search messages, contacts, or files. That's in any application. You can always search through all your emails, all your contacts, all your calendars. That's just informing you that. And there you go. So now you'll be prompted with this message here in the middle where it says enable notifications. So the notifications will be popped up on your iOS device as a notification. If you select no thanks, that means you would have to open that Outlook app each and every time to see what emails are being sent in to your mailbox. So if you leave it turned on, then your iPad may be locked and you'll still get a pop-up saying you have this new email. So we'll just go ahead and select turn on. And then again, would you like to send notifications? That's what I just mentioned. And then allow on your iOS device. Well, thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe. Put any comments down below of what other issues you might be running into and related to this or anything else, and I can see what I can do to help. Thank you. Have a great day.